Hey everyone, this is Faraz from WhatsAppKaro. So in this video, as I told you, I'm going to talk about shared inbox. Basically, it's a multi-inbox where you can connect your, let me just show you. You can connect your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, website chat, and Google as well. So guys, it's a kind of uni inbox where at one place you can connect all your inboxes. Okay. As of now, we have just connected WhatsApp, as you guys can see over here. So now in this video, I'm going to show you what exactly you can do with the uni inbox. First of all, guys, this is how the interface looks. Okay. So this is how the interface looks. First, as I told you, you can send message templates, WhatsApp flows, which I will talk in deep about flows. Okay. Then comes canned reply. What is canned reply? It's like something which you have already pre-written. Uh, let's say, for example, information about WhatsApp Karo. Okay. Let's say it's a pre-written message. Let's say I'll write WhatsApp Karo is an WhatsApp marketing software, and let's say I will include features and all. As of now, I won't do that. I'm just showing you guys how exactly you can use this. Then I'll be like, okay, done. Add. Okay, I'm done. So now let's say, okay, let us refresh once. Then let's say I want to send this person Kane reply. I will see, I will get. I don't need to type the same thing. I can send him directly. Can you see how easy it is, guys? And I received this. Can you see? Because I'm sending this to my own number. You can send to all of your leads. Can you see? Like this. So this is one of kind of features. Then if someone have messaged you in other language, then you can click on translate and it will translate you. And you can send emojis, you can record, and you can send. Then here comes, let's say you want to follow up. You can follow up with the customer. Let's say you want to follow up after 1 hour, you can set, and this will send you a notification. It will start alarming you that you have follow up on this particular timing. Clear? Then comes bot reply, where our AI bot, if you have integrated bot, if you have created bot, then bot is going to reply kind of repetitive task. As of now, we have resumed that AI reply nothing but where we have integrated open AI key, where we train AI, which I'm going to show you in the upcoming videos how exactly it needs to be done. Once it's done, you can enable this and AI will handle this particular customer. Then labels, as I told, based on the labels, you can, let's say for this particular customer, you can attach as many as labels. See? Okay. It depends on you. And you can assign your team member. In the previous video, I had showed you how to create team member. Let's say I want one of my team member who is Sadan to handle this particular customer. So I will assign the chat to Sadan. And message sequence is nothing but, let's say I have set an automated messages like series, welcome series, first follow up, second follow up. Then if I would have set up, I would have tagged over here. Okay? Custom fields, which I have already spoke to you guys, and notes. Let's say, for example, he's interested in demo and software as well. So I could add this note. Then this is the new feature called as AI assistance. What exactly it does? For example, let me just show you. Uh, let's say I'm the customer. I'm asking some, let's say, okay, what I will do, I'll ask what What is the customer asking me? Let's say I don't know what to reply. Okay. So this AI assistance is a kind of bot which will help you to understand your customer, not only help you, and he will tell you how exactly what sort of messages you need to reply to your customer. So this is kind of new feature which we have added. Okay, then you can clear it. Okay, clear guys. Then I think this you can add the email. Okay, this is all about, and yeah, over here you can, based on the labels, you can access your customers. For example, I just want to access, I don't want all the customers. So let's say I just want to access the people who came from Facebook and LinkedIn. Okay, I will click on this, then I get all the leads which came from Facebook and LinkedIn. Let's say I want only the people, okay, these people, test leads, label wale people. Then I will get all the test leads. Let's say I want the people, these people. Okay. And let's say I want only the chat which was assigned to Sadan. I will get the chats. Let's say even this kind of feature you can use recent communication. Okay. Because I don't have, so I'm not getting any option. So you get many options, guys. That's it in this video, guys. So this is all about this video, guys. Okay, you can share attachment as well. Let's say I want to attach something, I can do that. So this is multi inbox where you can manage all your WhatsApp chats, pre-sales, post-sales, after sales. Based on that, you can segregate by applying labels as well as custom fields as well. You can add the notes, many more things, guys. uh, this is all about this particular feature, where not only you can add WhatsApp chat, you can add Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, so even your website chat, you can add all of them, and you can able to see everything from here itself.